Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. As you can see, Christopher has joined me today because if you look at the description, we are going to be unboxing a new subscription. It is Healthy Living Kids, which is a fun, healthy snack alternative for children. This was kindly sent to me for review, so I wanted to share with you guys, and I will make sure to link everything down below to get you to their website as well as pricing. The box that was sent to us was the kids snack box. It is, I believe, $22.95. Prices do go up from there. They also have options aside just from the snack box. You can get boxes that include books and different activities. So again, your pricing is going to vary on what you choose. But again, like I said, we got the snack box, and as you can see, it is full of all different kinds of snacks, and Christopher is going to ever so pleasantly taste test a couple of these items and let you guys know what he thinks.
One more than a couple.
One more than a couple?
Three.
Okay. So we are going to go ahead. We've got a couple of, it looks like coupons here, probably for the different brands that are in the box. But we're going to go ahead here and let Christopher do a couple of little taste tests. And sorry, I bumped the camera. One of the first things we're trying is my Super Cookies. These are organic Blueberry Vanilla Heroes. Let me open it. Oh, they smell good. Got one?
Yep. Oh my gosh. Why?
They're
good.
You like it? Mama's gonna try one. They smell really good. It's a superhero. Those are really good. Those are really good.
I wouldn't say really good, but they're good.
Alright. We've got another one. Same. My Super Cookies. This is Chocolate Heroes.
Choose something else these next time. I don't want to do my Super Cookie.
Okay. We'll pick something else next time.
And that will be the last one.
They smell super chocolatey.
They're not perfect, but they're good.
Not perfect, but good. You'll take another. All right. Let's see. We've got, you can choose. Said you want to try one more. We have got, it's like kind of like a chip.
Okay.
Or this looks like it's gonna kind of be like a
popcorn.
Yes, it is organic popcorn. Yes, very good. Which one would you like to try? The popcorn? Okay, this is Buddha Bowl Foods Himalayan Pink Organic Popcorn. I'll show you guys. And it is exactly that. It is popcorn. You see?
It's normal popcorn. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Normal popcorn?
Yep.
It's good.
We're keeping this in the pantry, right?
We can. You want to take that one with you? Okay. All right. Christopher, thank you so much for joining us. He's going to go play some Fortnite. I don't know about you other moms, but Fortnite is all the rage. So we are... Okay. Sorry. So he liked the 3 that he tried, the 2 different cookies. Again, one was chocolate, one was blueberry vanilla. I personally liked the blueberry vanilla. And these, it says, are 100% nut-free, 16 grams of whole grains, made with coconut oil and chia seeds. I don't think I said that earlier. So that's awesome. He took the popcorn with him, so that's a plus. He loved it. So we're going to go ahead and look here. The next one is Rise Buddy Based Rice Snacks, sour cream and onion. It says made with brown rice, baked, not fried, gluten-free, 0 grams trans fat, and it is in sour cream and onion flavor. So that is something I think he will enjoy. And then we have another of the same Rise Buddy Based Rice Snacks. This is a barbecue flavor. And we have by Lesser Evil grain-free paleo puffs. This is in the flavor Himalayan pink salt. They are non-GMO, vegan, grain-free, gluten-free. So that is awesome. Again, I think that's something that he will really enjoy. Here we have Buckwheat Noshes. Forgive me if I say that incorrectly. Noshes, naturally gluten-free, no added sugar, buckwheat super snacks. The flavors cocoa, 6 simple ingredients. So kind of like a cookie is what I'm feeling and gathering from that. So again, something he will probably enjoy. Another one of the my super cookies. This is the Honey Heroes, and it's the same 100% nut-free, 16 grams of whole grains, made with coconut oil and chia seeds. So I know he'll like those. And then we've got, oh, this is neat. Okay, so it's like a juice box, but it's actually water. It says with 0 sugar fruit punch. So it's a flavored water with the straw, like a regular juice box, but without the sugar and calories and extra stuff we don't want. And then we have Nature's Bandits Organic. This is a mango apple fruit stick. Real fruit, all natural, no artificial colors or preservatives. GMO-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So those are probably really yummy. And we have another of the same, the Nature's Bandit. This is a blueberry apple veggie fruit stick. So that is awesome. I'm pretty sure these are probably really good. And I like that these have the veggie. So that's great. Always organic, the best of nature from Nature's Bandit. So yes, love being able to give him different options of snacks that are healthy, because I don't know about you guys, but with summer and him being out of school, it's really been harder to get him to eat what he should. He's wanting to eat, you know, chips and cookies and this and that. So to have a healthy option of those that can just be sent to you is awesome, because some of these brands I've never even heard of. So that is super great. And we do have a few more items in here. This is by Scout Backcountry. 10 grams of plant protein, organic plant-based protein. The flavor is peanut butter. It is 4 ingredients: peanuts, pumpkin seeds, pink Himalayan sea salt, and dates. So it's a bar. So that's good. He does love, you know, different, like the sweet and salty peanut bars. I know that they may not be as healthy as these are, but they're definitely better than, you know, Oreos or anything like that. So he probably will enjoy that. And here's another bar. This is Raw Rev Glow Radiance from the Inside Out, peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. But it's a bar with raw superfoods, 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar, gluten-free, non-GMO. So that is, again, something that, because like I said, he loves the peanut, and so and it does have some chocolate, so it's probably, you know, a little more appealing to him. And Then we have Matt and Mike's Super Kid Bar, soft and chewy, blueberry. It says it is made with almond butter, real fruit, spinach, and chia seeds. I love this because, again, if we can sneak in some veggies, that is awesome. And the final item, oh, this is neat. Okay, this is an RX bar. 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 4 cashews, 1 date, no bad stuff, Berry Blast. It's kids. I did not know that they made kids bars. So that is great. And again, anything berry, he will like. Let's see. Egg whites, almonds, cashews, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. So that's right up his alley. So that was a lot of snacks. And the 3 that, you know, he tried and I tried as well, he really liked. So that's awesome. And like I said, it's $22.95 for the snack box, which is the one, like I said, that was kindly sent to me to share with you guys. So that's quite a bit of stuff for $22.95, and you don't have to think about the healthy options for your children. It just comes to your door every month, which is great. And like I said, you can get different levels of the subscription. So you could get the boxes that have, you know, books and different activities if you choose to. They do also have all the snacks and stuff in them as well. So like I said, I will make sure to link everything down below. Again, this was Healthy Living Kids. And I guess that's pretty much it, you guys. You know, I'm just blown away at the variety of snacks that was sent and that are healthy options for my son. And so, you know, this is absolutely something that I really like, and, you know, hope he likes the rest of the snacks just as much as the, you know, first 3 that he tried. So again, thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. You're here already, just touch it. That way you can go ahead and see any of my future videos. We do lots of unboxings and review videos. Don't forget, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. All you have to do is be subscribed. I will leave a link below for that as well to get you over and enter you into the contest. Otherwise, I hope again everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day, and until my next video, I will see you guys. Bye.